The way I imagine that this app will work is that it will continuously be tracking according to what the user has set for a time. Perhaps maybe they want to track over just a day or a week or even a month, that they would set in advance for that. But I also experimented a bit with having a spoken app trigger, so something that they could say that would make the app turn on and start listening, kind of like "Hey Siri" or "Hey Alexa." So I found this code and I put in my trigger as track talk for it to begin listening, and I'll show you what that looks like when I run it here. Track talk. Now it should be listening to me and typing what I say. Okay, so of course I get an error because it says my Pocket Sphinx is not set up correctly. I did have a little bit of a hard time getting that to install. I kind of went down a rabbit hole with the errors that I was receiving, but I was never able to get that to properly install. So I imagine if I could get that installed properly, this just might work and be another option for getting the app to kind of wake up and start tracking.